What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video, and we got some good news and bad news at the same time. In today's video, we're going to be doing a couple things. We're going to be working on more than one project at a time, so that's kind of different and new. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Kate's going to be dropping things and breaking things.
I only dropped my speaker, and no, we are not sponsored by Snap-on.
Not yet, maybe.
Hey.
So Keith's going to be... Well, I'm going to be working on Keith's little bike, and then Keith's going to be wiring the pit bike. So we did do some work off camera. We wanted to get it done real quick.
Make sure it went sparky spark.
Yeah.
Ow, that hurt.
So, first thing we did yesterday, we went and got this bike running. We, for the most part, pretty much just put gas in it, and... Oh, we did have to fix the throttle cable, so it actually has a throttle cable now, even though it's useless because it doesn't work in the because the carburetor's garbage. But we got the carburetor off now, and we're gonna be cleaning that. It's over here, right here. And then also on the pit bike, Keith went and worked on the wiring harness a little bit, so it does get spark now, so it should run if I put fuel to the carburetor. We're just going to try to. That bag down there has the headlight and the wiring harness for it. So we're going to try to hook up the headlight. And then when we run it, we can see if the headlight actually gets powered. Because we did test it on a 12-volt battery from a car battery. See if the lights up. And it does light up. So now we just got to try it on the bike and see how it works. So, yeah, cue the time lapse. We're going to both start working. Alright, so again, I suck at filming outros to the videos. So in today's video, just to sum it up, we were working on the pit bike and Keith's mini bike. Keith's mini bike we got running already the day before. Today I cleaned out the carburetor, tried to see what it needed, see exactly what was dirty, see maybe I can get it fixed. The diaphragm was hard and broken pretty much, so we're probably just going to buy a new carburetor. Maybe we're going to look for a diaphragm. Stay tuned for the future for that one. Just enough to drive it, and then we will have more content with that. We're going to be going off-roading with that, and we're going to do that with my mini bike as well. And then on the pit bike, we got it running, and then we hooked up the headlight, and I didn't think about the voltage converter. I don't know what that. Yeah, I forget the part what it's called, but it pushes out too many volts. I think it was pushing 15 volts out, and it burned out my headlight, and I was like, yeah, that's good enough. I don't really care. So got that somewhat working. We just needed to figure out some kind of regulator to make it so it only goes down to 12 volts. But yeah, that's pretty much today's video. It got a lot of work done. It was pretty good. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel. Go out and go find your passions.